Hello. Now we continue our discussion for today, or our material, or our topic about job, occupation, or the name of profession. So in Bahasa Indonesia, and we translate also into English, right? So we learn now Bahasa Indonesia with the topic of job, occupation, or the name of profession. So we start from chef in Bahasa Indonesia juru masak atau koki. We can say koki or juru masak. In English, chef. Alright. Doctor who cures the patient. So in Bahasa Indonesia, dokter. Doctor, in English, doctor. Next, dentist in Bahasa Indonesia, dokter gigi. Dokter gigi in English, dentist. Alright. Farmer in Bahasa Indonesia, petani. Farmer. So, farmer in Bahasa Indonesia, petani. Next, firefighter in Bahasa Indonesia, pemadam kebakaran. So, pemadam kebakaran in English, firefighter. Alright? Yes, next is gardener in Bahasa Indonesia, tukang kebun. Tukang kebun in English, gardener. Gardener in Bahasa Indonesia, tukang kebun. Next is nurse in Bahasa Indonesia is perawat. So perawat in English is nurse. Next is police officer. Police officer is usually called policeman or policewoman. So in Bahasa Indonesia we call it petugas kepolisian or polisi. Ya, petugas kepolisian means police officer. Polisi means policeman or policewoman. Alright? Yes. Painter in English, in Bahasa Indonesia, tukang cat. Come on. Tukang cat. Okay? Tukang cat in English is painter. Next is postman. Even though nowadays we seldom see the postmen because it is online shopping now on or by email, so we seldom see the postman nowadays. So postman in Bahasa Indonesia, tukang pos atau tukang pengantar surat. Okay, tukang pos means postman. Okay, so this is smaller than before. Look at this. Nurse, perawat, nurse. Teacher in Bahasa Indonesia, guru. Dentist in Bahasa Indonesia, dokter gigi. Next is veterinarian in Bahasa Indonesia, dokter hewan. The next is mail carrier in Bahasa Indonesia, pengantar surat atau pembawa surat. This is pengantar surat, this is pembawa surat. That's the same. And then mayor in Bahasa Indonesia, wali kota. This is a civil servant, who works to I mean to manage the cities. Ya, wali kota. Alright. Ya, next is coach. Coach in bahasa Indonesia pelatih. Pelatih. Next is lawyer. Lawyer in bahasa Indonesia pengacara. Pengacara. Alright. Next is lifeguard. Lifeguard in bahasa Indonesia is petugas pantai. Petugas pantai who saves, who is drowning on the beach, right? Yeah, next is security guard in bahasa Indonesia pengawal keamanan. Pengawal keamanan. Alright. Next is minor. Minor in bahasa Indonesia is, what is this? Penambang. 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 Okay, or tukang tambang. Right? This is vet. This is means veterinarian. So in bahasa Indonesia dokter hewan. Dokter hewan. Next is electrician. In bahasa Indonesia is tukang listrik. Tukang listrik, right? This is photographer. Photographer. This is a borrowing word from English, photographer. Photographer or tukang foto. Alright. Next is tailor. Tailor in bahasa Indonesia tukang jahit. Tukang jahit. Alright. The next is, this is train conductor. Train conductor means konduktor kereta. Konduktor kereta. Alright. This is judge. In bahasa Indonesia hakim. Hakim. Right. This is artist. Artist. In bahasa Indonesia pelukis. Pelukis. And then this is painter. Painter in bahasa Indonesia tukang cat. Tukang cat. This is makeup artist. In bahasa Indonesia perias wajah. Perias wajah. Alright. The next is waiter. Waiter is pramusaji. Pramusaji or pelayan. Pramusaji or pelayan. Next is reporter. In bahasa Indonesia pembawa berita. Pembawa berita. Reporter. And then businessman. In bahasa Indonesia pengusaha. Pengusaha. Next is computer programmer. Computer programmer. So we borrow the word from English programmer. So programmer komputer. Programmer komputer. Next is cook. Cook, yeah. We discussed just now. So this is cook. In bahasa Indonesia koki or juru masak. Koki or juru masak. And then crossing guard. Crossing guard petugas penyeberang. Petugas penyeberang. And then doctor. Doctor in bahasa Indonesia dokter. Dokter. And then policeman. Policeman means polisi. And then this is fireman or firefighter. They are the same meaning. Ya. Petugas pemadam kebakaran. Pemadam kebakaran. Pemadam kebakaran. Okay. This is nurse. Nurse perawat. Perawat. And then here teacher, guru. Guru. And then here engineer. Engineer. We say insinyur. Insinyur or ahli perencana bangunan. So we usually use this one, insinyur. Alright. Next is soccer player. Soccer player means pemain sepak bola. Pemain sepak bola. Next is doctor. Doctor, dokter. Firefighter or fireman, pemadam kebakaran. Pemadam kebakaran. Next is ambulance driver. Ambulance driver, supir ambulans. Supir ambulans. And then here is garbage man. Garbage man means tukang sampah. Tukang sampah. Alright, garbage man. So now we start from this. Bus driver. Bus driver, supir bis. Supir bis. And then taxi driver. Taxi driver, supir taksi. Supir taksi. And then here mechanic. Mechanic, mechanic. So this is borrowing word from English. Mechanic, mechanic. And then here musician. Musician who play the music instruments. In Bahasa Indonesia musisi. Musisi. Here farmer. In Bahasa Indonesia petani. Petani. And then this is pilot. So we borrow this word into pilot. Pilot. And then this is hairdresser. Hairdresser, penata rambut. Penata rambut. Hairdresser. Then here cashier. Cashier in Bahasa Indonesia kasir. Kasir. Then here carpenter. Carpenter in Bahasa Indonesia tukang kayu. Tukang kayu. The last page is doctor. Dentist. Dentist in Bahasa Indonesia dokter gigi. Dokter gigi. Next is plumber. Plumber in Bahasa Indonesia tukang pipa. Tukang pipa. Then here is chemist. Chemist. Here ahli kimia. Ahli kimia. And then here chef. Chef, juru masak or koki. Juru masak or koki. Here is firefighter. Firefighter, pemadam kebakaran. Pemadam kebakaran. And then here doctor. Doctor means doctor. Doctor. Here is farmer. Farmer in Bahasa Indonesia petani. Petani. Here is hairdresser. Hairdresser, penata rambut. Penata rambut. Here is mail carrier. Mail carrier, pengantar surat or pembawa surat. Pengantar surat. Here is teacher. Teacher in Bahasa Indonesia guru. Guru. Here is police officer. Police officer in Bahasa Indonesia polisi or petugas kepolisian. So we usually call this polisi. So the last is veterinarian. Veterinarian in Bahasa Indonesia dokter hewan. Dokter hewan. So I do hope we have discussed, we have pronounced many job profession or job occupation just now. So I do hope you can practice by my video. So thank you so much. I do hope this topic will be helpful for you to add your vocabulary in Bahasa Indonesia as well as English. I'm Gunawan Tambun Saribu. I will see you next with other topic. Goodbye. Thank you.